Hello students, in this video let's learn how to express fractional form of ratios in their simplest form. The first we have is 1 by 8 is to 1 by 12. Whenever you have a fractional form of ratio, what are we supposed to do? The first step is we need to calculate the LCM of the denominators, meaning here we need to calculate the LCM of 8 and 12. Once you calculate the LCM, take the first part of the fraction, multiply with the LCM. Take the second part of the fraction, multiply with the LCM, do the necessary calculations, and the answer that you get is the simplest form of the given fraction. Now, what is the LCM of 8 and 12? The LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. I hope you all know how to calculate the LCM. If not, let me show you for one or two sums. So now, the common factor that divides both 8 and 12 is 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, again 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 3. Take the first fraction 1 by 8, multiply with the LCM. Take the second fraction 1 by 12, multiply with the LCM 24. So we have 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So our answer is 3 is to 2. The fractional form 1 by 8 is to 1 by 12 expressed in simplest form is 3 is to 2. Let's move on to the second sum. We have 1 by 9 is to 1 by 6. So we calculate the LCM of 9 and 6. The LCM of 9 and 6 is 18. In case you're not sure, please calculate the LCM. The common factor that divides 9 and 6 is 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3 2. We have 1. So LCM is 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So LCM is 18. Now take the first fraction 1 by 9, multiply with 18. Take the second fraction 1 by 6, multiply with 18. Now we can do a direct cancellation. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So what do we get? 2 is to 3. So 1 by 9 is to 1 by 6 expressed in simplest form is 2 is to 3. Let's move on to the third sum. We have 2 by 3 is to 5 by 6. The LCM of the denominators 3 and 6 is 6. I have shown you how to calculate the LCM. You can mentally do it if you're comfortable. So now that we have the LCM, let's take the first fraction, multiply with the LCM, followed by second fraction, multiply with the LCM. Do the necessary cancellations. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 one time. So what do we get? We get 2 2s are 4 and 5 1s are 5. So 2 by 3 is to 5 by 6 in its simplest form is 4 is to 5. So this is the answer for the third sum. Let's move on to the fourth sum. We have 1 by 4 is to 1 by 6 is to 1 by 8. This is similar to the previous sum, but the only difference is in the previous sums we had two denominators. Here we are going to deal with three denominators. So we need to find the LCM of all the three denominator numbers that are 4, 6 and 8. And then the concept is going to be the same. You have to take the first fraction, multiply with the LCM, second fraction, multiply with the LCM, third fraction, multiply with the LCM, do the necessary cancellation, and the answer that you get is the answer in its simplest form. So let's calculate the LCM of 4, 6 and 8. The LCM of 4, 6 and 8 is 24. In case you have a doubt, kindly do it in the rough. So the common factors will be 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 3, 2 2s are 4. Then we have 3 times 1, 1, 2 and 2 times again 1, 1, 1. So our LCM is equal to 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Now that we have calculated the LCM, take the first part of the fraction, multiply with 24. Take the second part of the fraction, multiply it with 24. Take the third part of the fraction, multiply it with 24. Now you can do the necessary cancellations. 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24. 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24, 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 20. So what do we get? 6 is to 4 is to 3. Ratio has to be expressed in the simplest form. Sometimes there might be cases wherein the answer that you get here is not in its simplest form, meaning it can be reduced further. But all the three numbers have to be divided by the same common factor, meaning you can't take 6 and 4 and reduce it to lowest terms just because they both share a common factor. You have to consider 3 also into account. So all the three numbers, if they have a common factor, then you can further reduce them to simplest form. So our final answer for the above given fraction is 6 is to 4 is to 3. Hope it's clear. Let's move on to the fifth sum. We have 1 2 by 3 is to 2 1 by 2 is to 1 3 by 4. You have mixed fraction in this. Why worry? When you have a mixed fraction, there's just an extra added step in the sum. You need to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Once that is done, the concepts are going to be the same. Find the LCM, take each and every fraction, multiply with the LCM, do the necessary cancellations, and then express your answer in the simplest form. So the steps are going to be the same. So what we are going to do, an extra added step in this, we need to convert the mixed fraction into improper. So 3 ones are 3 plus 2 is 5 by 3 is to 5 by 2 is to 7 by 4. So what's the LCM of 3, 2 and 4? Students, whenever you have a problem or you're unable to figure out the LCM mentally, you can do it in the rough work, calculate and do the LCM. Because if you go wrong with the LCM, the entire sum goes wrong. So please be very careful when you calculate LCM. So the LCM for 3, 2 and 4 is 12. Now take the first fraction 5 by 3. Multiply with 12, followed by the second fraction 5 by 2, multiply with 12. Third fraction 7 by 4, multiply it with 12. Do the necessary cancellations. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. 5 fours are 20, 6 fives are 30, 7 threes are 21. Does these three ratios have a common factor? No. 20 and 30 is divisible by 5, but 21 is not divisible by 5. So this cannot be reduced further. So our final answer for the above given ratio is that 20 is to 30 is to 21. Let's move on to another sum. We have 2 1 by 3 is to 3 1 by 4 is to 1 1 by 6. So it's going to be the same. First, let me convert it into improper. So I get 7 by 3, 13 by 4, 6 ones are 6, 7 by 6. So what's the LCM of 3, 4 and 6? The LCM of 3, 4 and 6 is 12. Do it in the rough work and calculate the LCM. So let's take the first fraction, multiply with LCM 12, followed by second fraction, multiply with LCM 12, followed by third fraction, multiply with LCM 12. Once that is done, do the necessary cancellations. 3 fours are 12. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So now we have 7 fours are 28, 13 threes are 39, 7 twos are 14. Once again, please check if all the three numbers can be reduced further. In this case, it cannot be reduced because they do not have any common factor. So our final answer is 28 is to 39 is to 14. So this is the simplest form for the above mixed fraction. I hope you understood how to express fractional form of ratios in simplest form. In case you have any queries, please leave a message in the comment section. I'll try and respond and clear your doubts. Hope the video was helpful. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.